Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to apply for a disabled person's rail card. So let's get started. First, decide whether to apply online or by post. If you are applying online, then visit the official disabled person's rail card website or use their application. Here you have to create an account. For this, upload a passport style photo and provide proof of disability such as PIP, a award letter or another accepted document. Then pay the application fee. For digital rail card, you will get a download code instantly to use your phone. Physical card arrives in about 15 days. If applying by post, download or request a form, then fill it in, attach your supporting documents and payment and mail it to the address provided. The disabled person's rail card gives you and one companion a third of most trained fares, and you can even add the discount to your Oyster card for travel in London. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.